How to convert JavaScript callbacks to async await. Imagine turning a tangled ball of string into a neat, straight line. That's what converting callbacks into async await feels like in JavaScript. It makes your code cleaner and easier to follow. Let's start with what callbacks are. Callbacks are functions you pass into other functions to run after some task finishes. They work, but they can get messy when you have many nested callbacks. This is called callback hell. To fix this, you can use promises and async await. The first step is to change your callback-based function into one that returns a promise. Think of a promise as a placeholder for a value that will be available later. Instead of passing a callback, you create a promise that will resolve with the result or reject with an error. For example, if you have a function that does something asynchronously and then calls a callback like this. Function do something callback. Do something asynchronously. Callback result. You can convert it into a promise like this. Function do something. Return new promise. Resolve reject is equal to. Do the asynchronous task here. If success. Resolve result. Else. Reject error. Now, instead of passing a callback, you just call the function and get a promise. To handle the promise, you use an async function. Mark the function with the keyword async, then use the keyword await before calling your promise-based function. For example, async function main. Try. Const result is equal to await do something. Console log result. Catch error. Console error. This way, your code looks like synchronous code but handles asynchronous tasks smoothly. The try and catch blocks help catch errors just like in regular code. If you need to run multiple promises at once, you can use promise all. It takes an array of promises and runs them in parallel, waiting for all of them to finish. Sometimes, you might work with older APIs that only support callbacks. Wrapping these in promises is a common way to modernize your code. For example, if you have a callback-based file upload function. Function upload file callback. Upload logic. Callback location. You can turn it into a promise like this. Function upload fail. Return new promise. Resolve reject is equal to. Upload logic. Resolve location. Then, in an async function, you can call it with await. Async function main. Const location is equal to await upload file. Console log file uploaded to location. This makes your code cleaner and easier to read. Remember, once you convert callback functions into promises, stick with async await for consistency. Mixing callbacks and async await can make your code confusing. To sum up, converting callbacks to async await involves wrapping callback-based functions in promises and then using async functions with await to handle the results. It simplifies your code and makes asynchronous operations much more manageable. This skill is essential for writing modern, maintainable JavaScript for web development.